channel again, and here we are in the evening time where you can see the people are flocking here from all over the places. And see, it is just on Saturday evening. People are here from different places, and when you want to have a ride, like how I am taking a ride, you can have it here also. As from the people, those who are coming from out of the country, it is very useful video for them. They will be able to enjoy all the thing. The camera person and the people, those who are taking you out, they are all very nice, and it's very they're humble. They will kind to help you out in all the situation. They will guide you, but be aware that you should know about little bit of their own language, so that you can communicate with them properly. Other than that, sightseeing, as you see, this breeze is so nice, and it's amazing here. So I hope you will like it. Thank you.